think your battery's dying, Bubba. Hi, Aidan. Wave to the camera. Say hi. Oh, no. Daddy put it in reverse. Uh-oh. He's like, I don't care. I like it just the same. Backwards is just as fun. Yeah, no breaking it on him. Transmission. Man, it's cold out here.
I know, you think it's the end of December or something.
I know. Fucking green grass still though. You silly boy. What is that?
Go check it out.
Where'd the dog go? And off goes our Tigger boy.
I'll ride it. I'll ride it. I'm gonna ride it.
This will be a sight. He thinks someone runs over his foot. Just sit on it, Bubba.
Sweet.
Say hi. Wave. A little diaper butt crack hanging out.
Well, if anybody says anything to him, just go get the rest.